see him, Crystal
Yes,
ma'am?
ma'am, I can see him.
Just give us a moment, Ishan.
Okay, ma'am, no problem.
Yes, you're good. Go ahead.
Just a second. Yes, ma'am, I'm ready to start. 3.
Yes, please start.
Imagination is more important than knowledge, said Albert Einstein. Greetings, eminent adjudicator, my worthy opponents, and audience. I, Ishan Ahuja of Class 8th, I firmly support the motion and I will be speaking for the topic, which is parental supervision is better than parental control. The way parents treat their kids has a huge impact on their behavior, and that is why it is very essential to decide the right method of parenting. I feel very strongly that parental supervision is better than parental control, and I'm confident because I have enough arguable reasons to prove my statement. Parental control means taking control over the child's activities and not letting him do anything of his own interest. While, on the other hand, parental supervision simply means making the child independent, observing his day to day activities, and if he does something wrong, persuading him peacefully, sometimes even scolding him. Now, I would like to draw your attention towards parental supervision. I shall be discussing its benefits. Parental supervision makes a child curious and creative. He starts to explore himself and he finds out what is he good at and what is he not. This also means that he can decide what he wants to become in the future in a very early age. It may sound strange, but with parental supervision, children develop more social behavior. And in other words, they become less introvert. A child develops a brilliant, smart, healthy, and a positive mind. It also creates good relation between the child and the parents. And we all know good relation between the child and the parents has a lot of upsides. As kids develop good relationships, they always listen to their parents, they never hide something, and they avoid doing things that are harmful to them. And this works way better than parental control. At the end of the day, we can all clearly observe that parental supervision has numerous advantages and almost no drawbacks. In the light of all these arguments, I wholeheartedly support the motion, and I can safely conclude that parental supervision is always better than parental control. And now it's up to you. If you want a change, then be the change. Thank you.
Thank you, Ishan.